Welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin. In this video we're gonna clean and dress all the plastic parts in the GTR's engine bay. So as we can see here, all the hard plastics, all the textured plastics, all the flat plastics, they all look quite neglected and not like black anymore. The car is from 2018, so at this moment it's 7 years old, and I think it's a good time to clean up, to prep and to dress all the plastic parts to make it nice and dark and satin black again. First step is cleaning all dust and particles away. For this I'm going to use D-Con's Orange Eco Waterless wash together with our workhorse microfiber towels. Now I could easily spray the Orange Eco on the parts which I want to clean, but it also will give me some overspray on the windshield and on the wipers. So I always spray away from the car in my towel. And for this I'll wipe all the plastic parts that I want to clean and later on prep and dress. By doing this I'll pick up dirt, I'll pick up particles, pick up some sand as well. So now move on with my towel to a clean section. Give it a couple of sprays Orange Eco Waterless wash. See, on this part here we see a lot of water spots, and hopefully with Orange Eco you can easily wipe them away. So, some dirt and some calcium rests from the water spots now in the towel. Now it's time to go to the next step. Get a clean one, and I'm gonna do the same round on all the hard plastics now with IPA. Because Orange Eco Waterless wash contains synthetic wax, it might leave a little bit of slippery finish. And on paint this is nice, but on plastics, which we're gonna dress, we don't want that slippery finish, we just want it clean. Now I will wipe away all that synthetic wax with IPA and with my microfiber towel. And by doing that, the next step of dressing will adhere much better, and with that also brings a much longer lifespan. And I'm going to use a small detailing brush for all those hard to reach areas like here or here or here. So I'm not going to spray it on the surface, we're going to spray it in the bristles of the brush. And I'm going to just agitate it with my brush to also prep those spots. So it's time for our new D-Con Dress to Impress water-based dressing, where one layer is dark and matte and two layers are rich black and satin. So let's first go for one layer and see how the results are. So first spread it out, divide it. Let's take away this part of masking tape and see the difference. We worked on purpose is that the formula is super dry. So it doesn't leave any streaks or stains or greasy kind of rests on your fingers or on your clothes. So with that it's also super clean and it stays like that as well. No smear, no mess, just dressed plastic and vinyl and rubber finishes. So to make it complete, divide it, spread it out and just let it air dry. D-Con Dress to Impress tire and trim dressing. It revives and renews all your plastic parts. In this case, hard plastic textured covers around the engine bay. It also works great on the tires, also works great on door rubbers as well, and seals around the engine bay and around the trunk. It's easy to apply, a little bit of product goes a long way. So yeah, that said, I think this is a must-have in any detailer's or car enthusiast arsenal. So if you'd like to find out more about engine bay detailing, then click on the pop-up banner and check out the next video.